So folks, have you guys ever wondered how a CAD-CAM is formed? Well, it's very simple. First you take an intraoral scanner and you just scan the patient's mouth and it will form a own 3D printed one, and what you do, you just send it to the lab or to the computer, and what the computer does is like we design according to our own wish. After we design according to our own wish, we do some corrections, and then we do the next stage called milling. So this is basically like a robot, and it just prints or it mills the crown that we want, and we can even choose what material we want. And after that, voila, we got a crown which just fits correctly on the cast. So which is far better than manual. This is pretty quick. Thank you and subscribe.